This is a project of me building a rolling firewood rack for my father for his birthday. They go through a lot of firewood, and their rick racks are in the front yard, and they need to be able to get into the back of the house real easily. So I'm going to build this rolling firewood rack. I always start out with a sketch like this. I don't ever stick to the sketch exactly. I change things as I go, but this gives me a good marker to start with. I kind of know what I'm working with as far as the joints go and as far as what materials I'll need to be purchasing. So I always start out with a sketch like this, and it kind of cements the architecture of the piece in my mind. And I give myself a few days to think about it, and then I make something when I have the luxury of that time, of course. An example of the changes I made on this one is, you'll see I have vertical handles on this cart that I'm drawing on here, because I thought, having your hands in that position pushing a cart would be really easy. But then I decided to put a horizontal handles on it, because turning the cart is easier with horizontal handles. I also took the two outriggers at the bottom that hold the casters off and just incorporated them into the frame. So here we go.